Sine x divided by 1 plus cosine x is a quotient of functions. So, to find its derivative, we need to use the quotient rule, which I've written here for your reference. The derivative of a function f divided by a function g is f prime g minus g prime f all over g squared. In this case, f, our numerator, is sine x, and g, our denominator, is 1 plus cosine x. So let's apply the quotient rule and then simplify the derivative. So to take the derivative, in the numerator we first have f prime g, which we see right there. F is sine, so f prime is going to be cosine x. And then we just multiply that by g, which is that denominator. Then we subtract g prime f, which is seen there. G is 1 plus cosine x, so g prime is just going to be negative sine x, the derivative of cosine x, and we see that there. And then we have to multiply by f, which is sine x, so that gets multiplied by f. And remember, that whole thing, g prime f, is being subtracted. In the denominator, we just have g squared, so 1 plus cosine x squared. Alright, now let's distribute the cosine, so we'll have cosine x plus cosine x squared, and then these two negatives will cancel out and give us a plus sine squared. So cosine x times 1 is cosine x times cosine x is cosine squared x, and then this part on the right is just plus sine squared x. Now this is great because we can apply the Pythagorean identity. We have cosine squared x plus sine squared x. Hopefully you know that's equal to 1. So in the numerator, we just have cosine x plus 1. Cosine x plus 1, of course, is the same as 1 plus cosine x, and now we have 1 plus cosine x in the numerator, divided by 1 plus cosine x squared in the denominator. So we can finish off by canceling a factor of 1 plus cosine x out, and that just leaves us with 1 over 1 plus cosine x. And that is the derivative of sine x divided by 1 plus cosine x. It turns out to just be 1 over 1 plus cosine x. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.